In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean connection between your ClickUp workspace and selected Notion pages so information can flow where you need it. Start by opening your browser and heading to the ClickUp website. On the home page, click Login. Sign in using your usual method. If you use a single sign-on provider, you may be asked to choose your account. Just pick the one associated with the ClickUp workspace you want to connect. Once you're in, make sure you're in the correct workspace. If you have more than one, choose the workspace where you'll manage this integration. Next, open the Apps area. Depending on your layout, you'll find Apps in your sidebar or under Settings. This is ClickUp's directory for integrations. In the Apps directory, use the search bar and type Notion. When Notion appears in the results, click it to open the integration page. Here, you'll see a summary of what the connection involves so you know exactly what you're approving. Click Connect. A Notion authorization window opens. This is where you decide which content to share with ClickUp. Click Select Pages. Carefully choose only the Notion pages or databases that you want this integration to access. It's a best practice to keep the scope as narrow as possible. Pick the pages that are truly relevant. You can adjust this selection later if your needs change. After you've made your selections, click Allow Access to grant permissions. Make sure you're authorizing the correct Notion workspace and that you have permission to add integrations there. If you don't see the prompt, check for pop-up blockers or confirm that your organization allows third-party integrations. You'll be redirected back to ClickUp. Click Done to finish the setup. You should now see the Notion app marked as connected. Click Connected to confirm the status, review the connection details, or manage the integration if you need to make changes down the line. That's it. The integration is live. From here, you can start using the connection as intended within your ClickUp workflow. If something doesn't look right, refresh the page, verify you're in the right ClickUp workspace, and confirm that the correct Notion pages were granted access. Also, ensure you're logged into the right accounts on both platforms. Thanks for following along. If this was helpful, give it a try in your own workspace and keep your ClickUp tasks and Notion knowledge base working together smoothly.